Alright, what's going on, YouTubers? This is Cliff with Giant Mechanics Scale Modeling. I'm going to do an unboxing of the trailer, super trailer that is. Yeah, perfectly see-through sides, MPC. It's by Round 2. Let's see what we got. It says Retro Deluxe. And of course, like, there we go. Managed to get into it. Bonus, huh? Ooh. Toolbox opening with drawers. Clear view sides. I don't know if I'll put the sides on. Tandem axle. That's what it says anyway, but like I said, we'll see. Yep. Pull that back over here. Alright. So we got all our chrome pieces. Looks like we got a fire extinguisher and silver gas or chrome plated gas cans, fire extinguisher. I believe those are the rims. So there we got that. We got some tires. Nice white letter tires, which I might possibly find some different tires and wheels to put on there because I got that box of parts. Ooh, here's all the clear pieces. So you can actually build the trailer so you can look into it, which is nice. Oh, okay, that's just the extra sides that they, so it doesn't get all scuffed up. So far it looks like everything is molded in a light blue, which I'll probably end up changing the color of that. They got fenders at the bottom. Well, alright. Well, there's a decent amount of flash, but at the same time, that should clean up halfway decent, fairly easy. So we got these. That is an Ertl. Even though it says MPC, it says Ertl on here, so it's got to be a redo, which ain't too bad. Like I said, there's the fenders. There's the ramps. Some poles, probably center things for the lights, or for the wheels. And that, chrome pieces. Yeah, this kit so far doesn't look too bad. Like I said, other than the flash gonna have to clean up. It says it was redone in 2019 according to this. So, like I said, I'll probably end up painting it like a black, or maybe I'll do like a weathered diamond plate. What do we got for decals? What do we got for a decal sheet? Ooh, it's got numbers, Clarity Racing, got a bunch of different things. It says Clearview Racing, Fram, couple. Yeah, well, it's not too bad. Water slide decals look like they're fairly colorful. I mean, you can do whatever you want with them, but that gives you something to do. And then, of course, at the very bottom, we got the directions. Painting note: for best results, paint the sub-assemblies and other components before any chrome parts are attached. So, the little things got to be the oil cans. So, a bucket, cabinets. Very simple, so you can leave it just a regular flatbed, or you can make it where the cabinet box goes over it. Fairly simple. This will go together pretty good. It's a MPC kit M909-200. So, like I said, it's tandem axle trailer, and looks like it'll be a pretty good kit to put together. And it looks like it'll go behind any vehicle. Some of the stuff is chrome, even though I'll probably repaint some of it, make it look more real, especially the gas cans. Where did it come from? Oh, it's just gotta be one of the test things off of this. So, alright, well, it'll probably be a little bit before I get started on this one. This one shouldn't be too bad, but there it is. Super trailer made by MPC/Ertl. Yeah. Alright, well, that's Cliff with Jam Mechanic Scale Modeling signing off. Enjoy.